Hey Anand, during our Revenue Cloud cohort,
Mhm,
you associated product with a category.
mhm.
So, could you please explain the significance of catalogs and categories in Revenue Cloud?
Absolutely. So catalogs are nothing but a collection of products that have been segregated into categories and subcategories. Now, this categorization basically helps retrieve the right product either at the time of sale by the salesperson or during a self-serve capability. Let me explain. So we have catalog, categories, and you could have multiple subcategories within a category. So product catalog management, PCM, which is a component of Revenue Cloud, basically allows us to categorize the products that we are configuring into one of these buckets. So this way, we could have a product associated at the subcategory level or at the category level, which are associated with catalogs.
So, the catalogs, categories, and subcategories are three different objects in Salesforce.
Excellent question. They're not three different objects, they are two different objects. So we have an object called catalog, we have an object called categories. Now subcategories is nothing but a category record which relates to a parent category. Just like you have an account hierarchy where an account can relate to a parent account. Okay, let me show you the schema diagram here and it will become totally clear to you.
Oh,
Okay, so as you can see on the schema diagram, a catalog can have 0 or more categories. Right? So this is a master detail relationship, which means catalog is the parent node and category is the child. Right? You could have multiple categories associated. And you also see that the category is related to itself. And this is where subcategories come into picture, which means a category can have multiple subcategories. Okay, hope this is making sense. And not just that, like I said, the products are associated at the category level, but there is also a junction object that we have, which is the product category product, which relates to the product object. So any products that we create in Salesforce are associated to category via this junction object. This enables a many-to-many relationship in the sense that a product can be associated with multiple categories and a category can have multiple products.
oh, awesome. Can you help me with a real world example?
For sure. In order to understand catalog and categories, let me take an example of a product that all of us can relate to, the Apple products. Right? So let's suppose I, as a consumer, I'm interested in purchasing an Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch specifically. When I get to the Apple website, because of these categorizations within the Apple catalog of products, it's easier for me to know which specific category I need to go to. So there is this Macs, iPads, iPhones, watch, vision, right? So all of this, I could directly select Mac, and within Mac, there could be several categories or subcategories within this Mac category, right? So we have MacBook Airs, MacBook Pros, iMacs, Mac Mini. Now again, because I'm interested in a MacBook Pro, I could then select MacBook Pro as the subcategory. And in this case, there is this 14-inch or 16-inch. So once I select 16-inch and say buy, now I will be directed to the page where the products are associated with this specific subcategory, right? In this case, you can see that there are multiple products, the 14-core CPU, 20-core GPU. This is one product which belongs to the subcategory of 16-inch for the subcategory MacBook Pro, right? Which belongs to Mac and within the Apple catalog of products. So here there are 4 products associated. Now, given this categorization of products into these buckets, it becomes extremely easier for the salesperson to exactly get to the product based on the customer's requirements.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this, Anand.
Absolutely. I hope this was helpful and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Thank you.